In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable notifications from Hoichoi app. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications from Hoichoi movies and series app and you'd like to go ahead and disable them, it's quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to disable notifications on this app, we need first to go ahead and access the app info page. The app info page is located on settings, so you need to go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps, and under apps go for the option called manage apps or all apps, depending on your Android smartphone or depending on the phone you're using. For my case, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, my Hoichoi app is here. You can also go ahead and search for your app using this search option. So once you find it, tap on it and you can see we are on the app info page. This is where we shall do our settings. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, and once you have found it, go ahead and long press on it, and now you should see app info. From here, you'll get to the same app info page. Now under this, go to permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. Tap on it, and from here, to turn off all these notifications, go ahead and disable this show notifications option. From now, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications or alerts from this Hoichoi movies and series app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can disable notifications from Hoichoi app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.